Friends of Trade Ideas, let me put it simply to you. There's an advanced way to do it, and the advanced way to do it doesn't have to be harder. It's more efficient. This is what I'm doing. I'm focusing on the things that have the most potential. And I can place the buy orders on the weekly chart. Nothing wrong with that. That way it gives you a little bit of a bigger perspective of what you're trying to do. And you don't accidentally day trade away from something that could be in a great turn. So I'm just going through the motions. I've been doing this, consistently now. And again, whether it's, I can see the longer term of what is the potential. And then I can just simply say, okay, I'm going to look at this one for a pullback. Okay. And that's how it's done. And instantly my orders come in and I can adjust them. And this is the same methodology that you should be using because it works. And I've shown you that in the video before. Riot, I'm in marathon also, but Riot looks like it could really be picking up right now. So here we go. My orders are placed and I'm ahead of the pack.